Good morning, students. Uh, yes, in the earlier part, we had done revision lessons from 1 to 5. So, we had revised the first page of the lesson, and now we'll be doing the second page of the lesson, the revision of the lesson. So, as I told you, the revision is something that it's not very complicated as the units or the lessons are, but but this thing is very easy, and this thing is very simple. So we'll not waste much of our time in discussing things, but we'll invest most of our time in solving the things, right? So now I have paused the video here. You have to pause the video here. I'll be explaining you what the question is actually demanding. So the question is, i am I am going to read the question and I am going to explain you. Choose the correct collocation. What is a collocation? A collocation is a thing that are two words that go very well together. It doesn't have a specific meaning why it goes very well together, but in the English language it has been used since a long time, and this is how things work, right? So this is what is happening. So for the first one, the question is, the group came to a decision only after hours of discussion. So you have to choose the correct collocation. So the group came through or came to a decision. Okay, you have to choose that. Okay, so I want you to pause the video right now over here, and then I want you to solve the things, and then we'll check the answers. I'll be waiting for you, and then tell me as soon as you are done. Okay, students, now that you all have resumed the video, we will go and do it again. We will check the answers. Hope everything is clear to you. If anything that you are finding it difficult, please do not forget to email me and ask me. And some of the students are requesting for the format of review, format of everything. I want to tell them that everything will be covered in the next revision periods. The revision periods that we are going to do in after the grammar revision. Okay, in that it will be covered. So let us check the answers, students. So the first one is came to a decision. Okay, came to a decision. Second one is take on. Okay, third one is totally. Third one is totally. Fourth one is set off. I set up or set off on a trip of a lifetime, hoping to change myself physically and mentally. So we are going to, so set up. Set up means to start something, that is to set up. But set off, the correct collocation is set off. Next one, it was completely or incredibly interesting talking to Marsha about her pilot training. So it was completely or incredibly. So it was incredibly. Complete means anything that is complete. But anything, if it is interesting, how can it be complete? So obviously the answer will be incredibly. I didn't really understand what culture surprise or culture shock was until I came to a village in this remote hillside village. So it will be culture shock. The It is a culture shock, okay, not a culture surprise. Hope you have got the answers correct, and if you all have got the answers correct, then you can uh, comment down in the comment section and let me know, right? Okay. Now the fifth one is choose the correct form of the word in the bracket to complete these sentence. So we have to choose the correct form. I think in the sixth unit we have done it really well, and y'all are really well versed with it now because we had done it in other practicing apps as well. So here choose a correct form of the word in the bracket to complete these sentences. Each new word should be formed with either a prefix or a suffix. So you have to form this word using a prefix and a suffix. I think prefix and suffix, this is very very I think you all know that very well by now. We have done it in grammar, we have done it in the English literature reader, and in the CAE also we have done it. So I think you should know it by now. So I'm giving you some time. You all can pause the video here, and then we'll resume the video as soon as you solve all the questions of question number 5. You have to come resume the video and we'll check the answers. Okay. Now as I am after brushing